Dedicate this song to my mom and my dad. You guys get respect and love and nothing less. Check me out. So beautiful, so wonderful, so incredible. Yeah, it's a wonderful life, y'all. Think about it. Yo, if only I could go back in time, watching my mother walk to school at the young age of 9. Told her that she was beautiful and somewhere down the line she'd have a son that was like a king and his light would shine upon her family avidly, and that she'd be fine. 2 wonderful daughters and grandkids to pass the time, each of them one of a kind, with bright minds. Tell her to be encouraged, cause through the hard times, strength is what she find in a spirit that could never be broken. I'd always carry her books and open doors for her, hoping that she would look into my eyes and somehow realize that my words are wise. And 50 years later, holding her son, tears of joy she would cry. Yeah, it's just a dream, but what really matters in a cold world where it seems everything shatters right in front of your face. I can't imagine how my mother held it all together, never gave up the race. Must be amazing grace, because it's written all over her face and shining like the sun we could never replace. Travel through space and time, stay in the present, but the vision never leaves my mind. So effervescent with the words that I would vocalize, if given half the chance to the ones that I love, as we laugh and we dance, as we rock to our own song and we singing it now. Yeah. So what's the call, y'all? Get respect and love. Yo, if only I could go back in time and play football against my father while back in his prime, and I would have to stick him, but soon he'd become a friend of mine. We ride in bicycles with Coca-Colas, 2 for a dime, and I'd do anything just to find him a better place to live. Cause unfortunately, damn, his parents didn't give. Maybe it's because they never really got the love they needed themselves. So on the children's head it fell that emotional living hell. Young and innocent, he had to be afraid to see his mother had an appetite for all these evil men that never stayed. Even now I'm thanking God for the uncles and aunties who make a better life for the kids who don't know where their mom could be at. So I would've told them that it's perfectly normal to feel pain where his heart is at. All things considered, I'd encourage him not to bury that. Soon enough he won't always have to be tough, because I'll help him carry that. Maybe he'd understand, somehow recognize my face as a reflection of his own, and that we would meet again. But still I wouldn't leave him without at least saying a prayer for his protection and in his destiny. Keep believing. You gotta understand, this ain't a sad song. I'm just showing some love for some folks that have struggled with my rap song. Travel through space and time, stay in the present, but the vision never leaves my mind. So effervescent with the words that I would vocalize, it's given half the chance to the ones that I love, as we laugh and we dance, as we rock to our own song and we singing it now. Yeah. What's the call, y'all? What's the call? Give respect and love and nothing less. What's the call, y'all? When my name come up, give respect and love and nothing less. My name come up, give respect and love and nothing less. What's the call, y'all? When my name come up, give respect and love and nothing less. What's the call, y'all? When my name come up, give respect and love and nothing less. What's the call, y'all? When my name come up, give respect and love and nothing less. And time, stay in the present, but the vision never leaves my mind. So effervescent with the words that I would vocalize, giving half the chance to the ones that I love, as we laugh and we dance. So beautiful. Travel through space and time, stay in the present, but the vision never leaves my mind. So wonderful. So effervescent with the words that I would vocalize, so incredible. The ones that I love. Yeah. We rock to our own song, and we singing it now. It's a wonderful life, y'all. So effervescent with the words that I would vocalize. So beautiful. So effervescent with the words that I would vocalize. So wonderful. Travel through space and time. So incredible. In the present, but the vision never leaves my mind. So incredible. It's a wonderful life, y'all. It's a wonderful life.